Okay, Larry, it's time for the theme song.
Yeah, Bob. What do I do, Bob?
Let's see.
Bob.
I know! You play the theme song.
Bob.
Oh, you're right. Well, okay, you play the theme song.
Hi, kids, and welcome to Veggiemales. I'm Tomato, the Bob. Larry! Have you been cooking? What? Oh! Hey, that reminds me of a little we just got from Alabama. Billy's not cool. What should he do?
Oh, what a pickle! We used to be so
We used to run and laugh.
Now there's time to play, 'cause we got no work all day.
Larry, I want to win.
Attention! I have an announcement! Everyone may eat as many little people as they want. Bon appetit! Oh, if I could just see the looks on their faces right now.
I keep thinking of a song my mom used to sing to me a long time ago. For you.
What are your names, boys?
I'm Shaq.
I'm Shaq. Meek. I'm
The bun song is how all my employees will show just how much they love the bun. How nothing is more important than the bun. How they do anything for the bun. And it goes something like this. The bun, whoa, I love the bun. I don't love my soup or my bread, just the bun. The bun, yeah! I love the bun. I gave everything that I had for the bun. I don't want no health food when it's time to feed. A big bag of bunnies is all that I need. I don't want no buddies to come out and play. I'll sit on my sofa, eat buns all day. I won't eat no beans, and I won't eat tofu. That stuff is for sissies, but buns are cool. What do you think? What's that over there?
That's the furnace.
You don't mean...
And now it's time for the part of the show where Larry will be performing the traditional Argentinian ballad that... This has been Silly Songs with Larry. Tune in next time to hear Larry.
Is everyone comfort? Good. Good. I've tried to be patient.
Oh, you're back! It's time now to talk about what we've learned today.
I don't want no health food when it's time to feed. A big bag of bunnies is all.
Larry, I want to win. As I was saying, it's time to talk about what we've learned today. Well, Shaq, Rack, and Bennett learned that standing up for what they believed in was wrong. In the end, Shaq, Rack, and Bennett was in the fiery furnace.